The new 3 Series, the G20. This isn't a facelift, but an all-new generation. The first thing you will notice is how different it looks. It doesn't look like an evolution of the F30, and neither does it look like a 5 Series or a 7 Series. That's a good thing, as the new 3 gets its own visual identity. The platform is all new. The CLAR platform from the 5 and the 7 Series finally makes its way to the 3 Series. What we're driving is the petrol 330i M Sport. The engine gets a few updates from the last one. A fuel pump that generates more pressure, a lighter crankshaft, and a new particulate filter. Performance is impressive. Step on it and there's barely any lag to speak of, as peak torque kicks in below 1600 RPM. It keeps pulling cleanly until 5000 RPM, where you can feel the torque drop off as you approach the top end. You can short shift and keep it in the meat of the rev range for that constant shove, but I wouldn't recommend you do so. Why? Because the engine sounds so sweet being revved out to the red line. The more important question is, does the 3 Series handle? The answer is yes. Get into it and you can immediately tell that the steering is direct. It feels extremely accurate and allows you to place the car as you'd like to on the road. Ride quality is good too, but it borders on the firmer side of things. There's a certain tautness to it. It's not as soft as, say, an Audi A4, and it has trick dampers that allow you comfort without compromising performance. The 3 Series isn't uncomfortable in any sense of the word. It is still a luxury offering and behaves like one, but it leans to the sporty end of the spectrum. We like that. And it gets more tech, like the digital instrument cluster. You now get a virtual assistant, and the materials, like the metallic finish on the dash and center console, are really nice. The new 3 Series is a definite upgrade from the previous generation. It dials up the luxury and space, but it doesn't compromise on dynamics and sportiness. It keeps its 3 Series DNA intact.